This video was made possible by Farmers Market Singapore, an online butcher that is well known for high-quality meat products that are traceable, sustainable, and affordable. You may visit farmersmarket.com.sg and enter FoodieMommaPH in a discount box on checkout and get 15% off your first order. What's up, you guys, and welcome to the final episode of our third series with Farmers Market Singapore. We started with some char siu, Singapore noodles, and butter chicken. Today, we're gonna be ending this series with amazing lamb biryani. Let's get cooking. We're gonna be using about 800 grams or 8 pieces of Aussie lamb chops from Farmers Market Singapore. Put these babies on a big bowl and throw in the following ingredients for marination. 1/2 cup yogurt, 1 tablespoon ghee, 3 bay leaves, 1 cup deep fried onions, 1 cup chopped coriander leaves, 5 to 6 green chilies slit, 1/4 cup mint leaves, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 black cardamom pods, 2 green cardamom pods, 4 cloves, 4 small cinnamon sticks, saffron, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 tablespoon kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix until each lamb chop is coated with all the spices and marinate for 30 minutes to an hour. Time to prep the basmati rice. Look at the long grains. This is about half a kilo. Soak it in lukewarm water for at least 30 minutes. And we're back to the lamb chops. Transfer to a pressure cooker. Add in 1 cup of coconut milk. I'm using Thai coconut milk in this recipe. You can use whichever you want. Throw in about 2 pieces chopped tomatoes and some more ghee and cook it for about 25 minutes until it's ultra tender. Basmati rice is ready for cooking. On a pot with boiling water, add a splash of salt, 1 tablespoon ghee, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 2 green cardamom pods, 2 black cardamom pods, 2 cinnamon sticks, 3 bay leaves, 4 cloves, soaked rice, and boil in high flame for 10 to 12 minutes. Once cooked, transfer everything to a pot in layers. Starting with the lamb chops, give it some gravy bath, biryani rice, loads of ghee, fried onions, and coriander, and then repeat the same exact steps. Cover and cook for 7 minutes on high flame and 7 minutes on low flame. Garnish with more coriander, and this is my version of lamb biryani.